What's up, y'all? Come through, look at these pepper rows. Now you remember when we made these rows and we had the lettuce in there and then we transitioned. Now we have the peppers, hot peppers over here, sweet peppers over here. Look at all of them. Look at all these sweet peppers. I want to talk about these sweet peppers, all right? Because right here we got some green peppers. Understand that green bell peppers, guys, they're just unripened bell peppers, all right? They will turn colors, all of them. Yellow, red, they'll turn colors. But when we get them early, they're green. But understand, there's a lot of benefit to the green ones too, all right? Besides being delicious, these green peppers have almost 3 times more vitamin C than your oranges. A lot of folate, a lot of fiber, good for your gut. A lot of vitamins, a lot of good stuff in here. Look it up, green peppers. And this is something you could grow. I'm gonna show you guys how to grow this in the workshop that we're doing on the 29th at 𝐀𝐚𝐸 on how to grow your own food. Come out. And if you can't come out, remember you could live stream this event. We're gonna record it. You can get the recording, but just get the information so you can learn how to grow a little bit of your own food. Even in an apartment, you can grow your own food. Tap in with us. Click the link in the bio. Stay rooted. Keep growing.